So hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I want to give a breakdown to how to get into the market with the smart money trading system, and also I do want to show you one edge to use a strategy of the 15 minutes because I do be getting too many questions lately on how to trade up the 15 minutes and how to get into the 1 minute entry. But honestly, it's quite simple but looks complicated, so I do be giving you an all the breakdown and going straight into it. All right. First and first you want to do is head over to your indicator, of which you can see I have the indicator already, ICTQ zone and pivots. So I do turn it on, and in case you don't have the indicator on your screen, you can go to indicator and go to technicals and you search for ICT. This is it here by trade group. You can see trade for, also you choose it. And one thing I like about this indicator is the yellow here is the Asia, the red is the gray is the London, red Asia, the green here is the New York PM, while this is the launch. All right. Let's get straight into the breakdown now. First and first, you can see here is the market days and open. So we can see on Monday here we opened, the market was very obviously bullish, and same thing here on Tuesday. Wednesday will break out with a bullish structure, meaning this week it's more of buy over sell. So you can see here, honestly, I didn't actually, mark out this level to be my point of interest. I was looking out for this level to be my point of interest and also this level to be my point of interest, but the market mitigated because we have a fair value gap here that got mitigated. And what can we see here? We can see on Thursday to Friday we had a breakout bullish, and at the back of my mind, what am I still expecting? I'm still expecting more higher prices, meaning this week is going to be bullish because we can see the blueprint of the previous days is all bullish. So this is one edge to use the strategy. You need to understand what you're doing and the principles that are attached to it. So after that, now you can see what do we have here. We have here, if I should clear everything right here and hopefully take them back. So let's clear everything here. Now with this, now you can see we have what we have, a three value pullback candle, and this is a value pullback because it's three bearish candle closing below each other. We have one, two, and three. Now this is a value retracement. Not all retracement are valid. All right, you need to get this straight. So we have here to be a value break of structure because we have a three value bearish candle closing below each other. So there's a break of structure, and having this break of structure right now, you need to look out for what a point of interest. Now remember, we are bullish. Now we have marked out this level to be my point of interest, and this was the New York section. Then the New York PM came into the market. Let's see what happened, breaking down to the 1 minute time frame. So here on the 1 minute time frame, you need to look at what is the price action happening in the market on the 1 minute time frame. Now, very very important, since you all have understand how to use the indicator and what the indicator is all about, and the section we are currently, which you can see the green is the New York PM. So I don't want to turn off this and turn off the indicator, and let's look at the chart clearly. Now let's look at this place farm. Let's pick out let's use the brush tool and let's mark out some important things. We have here to be a low here, we have a high, a low, and a high. Now we can see we are having a lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low here. And what else do we have here to be a higher high? Now we understand that this is a continuation of higher prices, and currently, remember, we are still looking out for buys, and we need to know when we have a market structure shift. So here is where we have the market structure shift, which is a change of character. The order flow have changed on the 1 minute time frame now to bearish. All right, so but remember, we are not looking out to sell, because if we to sell, we are counter trending, so we are only looking out towards to pro trend. So at that point now, you are to look for your buy projection, and let's look at what's happening here. Now the institution here, which is the New York, we're trying to protect this zone, and you need to look out for what's actually happening before this is coming. Now what you can see here, when the market mitigates here, which is this low, it gave a high, and we can mark this out. This is a rejection of the institution trying to protect this level to buy back the prices. So we have a low, a high here, and we have another low here and another high and another what lower low. Now, where do we have a higher high? We have a higher high from here. Now, here is where we have a change of character, meaning the institution are ready to move this market to the upside. And this signal was sent to my team and also to the free brokers channel. So hopefully everybody ate, and it was 5% as you all know as usual. So here we have the last transaction between the institution. You can see we have this last the last buy before the sell and a rally here. So you can mark out here to be the last level of transaction that happened during the New York PM before the expansion. And honestly, fam, what can you all see? You all can see that we have a very clean and nice mitigation, a sniper entry, and we can see the market, wakes up back, going to the upside. So the entry was from here, got our entry from here, and you all can see the entry from here. And what will I do next? If you have been following me for quite a while, you do understand that my take profit is always 5%. I don't go anything above or below 5% when I'm going on the 1 minute time frame. So here we have the 5%. And if I should drag this over to the right, you can see that we hit a take profit of 5%. Meaning if I'm risking $100 here, I'm looking up to make $500, and if I'm risking 1,000, I'm making $5,000 on this trade. So that's it, fam, easy peasy. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. I love you all and stay blessed. Peace out.